Well, hello everyone, and today I want to try on a different lipstick I've never tried before. I've actually tried on the same brand before, but not this particular color. I've tried on Hard Candy Glitteratzi Black Diamond. It's a lipstick that actually comes with the lipstick itself and the gloss built into it. I really like this a lot. I've actually worn this before. I think I did my second video on this lipstick, so please check it out. It's actually one of my favorites. It's a nice little purple lipstick. A little fancy. But today we're doing Hard Candy Glitteratzi, and this is Drama Queen. So I got my dramatic eyes going on. I got my dramatic hair going on. And I want to get my dramatic lipstick going on. Once again, if you take a look at the lipstick, it looks like it has glitter inside of it, but it actually goes on smooth. All right, let's start off with the lipstick first. Immediately it looks incredible. I'm already loving it. It does need more of a dramatic look to wear this. And from what I'm seeing, it looks a little light. Like the other lipstick I used before, it actually, well, Black Diamonds, it actually has a great lipstick, and then you add the gloss to it, it looks really good. But this one I think actually needs the gloss. I don't know. It doesn't look bad. It looks good, but it's very light. It's lighter than I thought it was going to be. I feel like I have to put a lot on to get the effect I want. Okay, I think this is the best I could do. I think this was more reliant on the actual gloss. Clean up a little. Okay. Let's go with the gloss. So far, I'm not liking the lipstick by itself as much as I did the Black Diamonds, but maybe with the gloss, which is how it's supposed to look, it'll actually look the way I want. Okay, now it's coming together. I like this lipstick, but it's very reliant on the gloss. I do like it. This is one of those lipsticks where it's good, but you have to be in a certain mood for it, or add a little more gloss. little better. You have to be in a certain mood for it or a certain look that you want to achieve. Hmm. Okay, it has a subtle, well, on me, you know, it may look different on someone else, but on me, it has a subtle look to it that fits me, I think. It wouldn't be my go-to lipstick if I wanted to look dramatic or glam, but in certain cases, I would have actually rocked this again. I think for certain looks, if I have my eyes looking really fire, I can probably pull this off as well. I like it though. It's just a little different than what I expected, but I thought it was gonna be more of a metallic, really, really bright look, and that's not what it was, but it's okay. I mean, it looks great. I may have put too much gloss, but it's okay. Hmm. This is one of those lipsticks where I have to actually think about it. Like, I like it, but it's a little bit more tame than I expected, but I think with the look, it looks good. It looks all together, it looks great, but man, I really put a lot of gloss on. I don't want to mess it up. I just deal with it. It is what it is. You know, you make mistakes, you just go along with it. Why not? Okay, this I like. It's more laid back. I like the fact that I have my eyes look in a certain way and it complements it. Other than that, if I was going with a different eyeshadow or a different, you know, with the wings and all, it would look a little more bland. But I think I think it's well. I think it does well. All right. Yeah, I like it. I'm not in love with it, but I do like it. You guys take care.